Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Aditya and I welcome you to the Python tutorial for beginners. This course is specially designed for people who are very new to programming platform and for developers who want to improve their skills in Python programming. Now moving ahead, one of the most popular questions which is asked is that why do I learn Python in 2020? Python is one of the most popular languages and it is one of the on-demand programming languages. If you go to Google Trends and search Python and compare it with other programming languages, you'll see that Python tops on the list. And one more mostly asked question is that what are the uses of Python? What can I do after learning Python? Python has a lot of uses. You can create an artificial machine learning project, you can create a backend server using Flask or Django frameworks, you can create graphic user interface, you can even do ethical hacking with Python. There are actually a lot of uses with Python. So moving ahead with the design of this tutorial, actually in this tutorial for beginners named as Python tutorial for beginners, we'll be only covering all the basics of Python so that your foundation is very good. After that, there is even another tutorial series called as Advanced Tutorial for Python programmers. In that tutorial, we'll be covering all the advanced topics like object-oriented programming, classes, and then we'll be learning about data structures, file handling, exceptional handling, and then database connectivity, and a lot of things. So without wasting any time, go on to the next video where we learn about how we install Python and configure it on our systems. If you have already installed Python on your system, just skip that video and go on to the next video where we'll start programming in Python. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any updates from my channel.